Hey YouTubers, how's it going? What's up? Every time you're back again. Well, YouTubers, I'm in Ocean Park, but on the other side, where there's lots of birds and everything like that, walking around. Like the birds pretty much own this, as you can see. Just walking around. It's kind of scary. Like they're all walking around here, and I might get attacked. If I do get attacked and die or something. Well, at least you guys got to know me. Things are well. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Everything like that, YouTubers. If something happens to me, some big bird like that attacks me and I just die. Anyways, I'm kidding. That's not gonna happen. I'll be safe. I'll be okay. But just in case. No. Anyways. You guys love these videos? Subscribe, hit that bell button, leave a comment down below. Hashtag it out baby time. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, MySpace, Twitter, whatever you guys have. Take a look at this big bird. Look at this. Look at this. Ready? See? That's a peacock. I can try and get him to open his feathers, but I highly doubt he will. But if he does, it is extremely cool till he opens his feathers. Uh-huh. This bird is massive, but I'm not gonna go there. It's way too big. Right, YouTubers? Oh. Hello. Somebody's saying hello to me. Anyways, let's just keep walking around here, enjoying this awesome, cool scenery and things like that. I'm not gonna go all the way up there. It's too far to walk. I'm sure YouTube's not going all the way up there. Let's walk back down here. Enjoy this. Enjoy this awesome, cool, wicked, noble tubular views of birds and everything cool, and yeah. That's me. That's me. That's me. That's me going. I don't know. Something happened up there. You heard the birds. See, they're going crazy. Foreigner, foreigner, white man in town. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah. Just walking along here. There's some more birds right here. Yes, there is. Look at this bird. Hey, bird. Oh, oh. So close to you. There's another one. Let's walk down here. I don't know where that big bird is. When I came walking up these stairs, there was this like big massive bird just sitting right there. I don't know where it went now. Maybe it like literally flew away or something. I have no idea where it went. Anyways, YouTubers, I'm sorry about all these videos. I'm going to be getting back to my Pokemon very soon, guys. I'm really sorry if you guys don't like this, but I just want to show you the cool part of China and everything cool and everything awesome about it. Yeah. Such a beautiful country, such a beautiful city. Everything cool about it is cool and awesome and sweet. There's this big birds right there. Whoa. Right there, YouTubers. Yes. Sweet, 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 sweet. Back down the stairs I go. More pretty, more pretty, more pretty, more pretty. Ducky. Ah, he's scared of me. Ah, Birdzilla! That's definitely not Birdzilla. Anyways, YouTubers, love these videos. Subscribe, hit that bell button, leave a comment down below. Say bye-bye to Birdzilla right there. Peace out, be safe, take care.